Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Airmate app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Airmate is a flight planning and navigation app built for general aviation pilots. It provides free worldwide aeronautical charts, NOTAMs, real-time weather updates, airport information, and route planning tools. The app also supports automatic flight logging, offline access, and integration with various cockpit devices for a smoother in-flight experience. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Pilots appreciate that Airmate offers so many features at no cost, including VFR charts and flight planning tools. The interface is fairly intuitive, and having weather and airspace info in one place makes pre-flight prep more efficient. Automatic flight tracking and the ability to file flight plans directly from the app are standout features. That said, it's not without flaws. Some users mention occasional stability issues or bugs on certain devices. The UI, while functional, isn't as polished or modern as some premium aviation apps. And while the app covers a lot, it may not go as deep in detail or customization as paid competitors like ForeFlight or SkyDemon. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Airmate is a solid choice for pilots seeking a free and capable flight planning app. It's practical, feature-rich, and gets the job done, especially for VFR flying. However, if you need top-tier performance, ultra-smooth design, or deep integrations, you might consider pairing it with a more premium option. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.